Okay, this is the starting procedure for the Model A. Once you know you want to go somewhere, first of all you turn on the little gas throttle right here. This is a gravity feed, so your tank is up here and it just feeds by gravity down to the carburetor. So I've turned on the gas valve. You turn on the ignition, and then you have a spark retarder over here, which needs to be up in the full retard position to start it when it's cold. And then you have a hand throttle here, which should be about halfway down. You see it goes all the way from there to there. And that helps the engine speed, gets the right amount of gas into it. So you have to make sure you're in neutral. We got four on the floor here, I guess, the old H pattern. And then I usually take off the emergency brake because maybe I won't do that because we're going to roll. All right. So the starter button is actually here on the floor, right there. This is the gas, and this is the starter button. Over here you have a choke, and so sometimes when you're starting up the first time of the day, as soon as you start the starter button, you have to pull out on the choke a little bit. And this, you can adjust the gas mixture here if you need to. So we'll see. It could be a little bit warmed up. We'll see how it goes. Okay, at least I need to give it a little choke, I think. So we'll try her again. Almost. Okay, one more time. You know what? So I probably have to retard my spark a little bit more. Let's try that. Maybe give a little more hand throttle to get the gas in a little bit better. So let's try that. There we go. As soon as you start it, you bring down the spark retard, and that kind of just to where the engine sounds good. And if you need to adjust the throttle down, and it'll handle a pretty low engine speed. I guess my dad said it's got a pretty low compression ratio. I don't really know what that means, but that's what he would say. So the throttle can be adjusted here, and we should be ready to roll.